Laba Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. So today I have a very interesting video that will be of great value, I hope, to most of you. And we're gonna learn about something called vision boards, and also I will illustrate to you, of course, using my all-time Canva tool. I'll show you how to create a digital vision board. So stick around till the end, and if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I make a new upload. And if you like this kind of content, do not forget to hit that like button. Let's dive in. So what's a vision board? So a vision board is basically a tool that maps out your goals, your aspirations for a specific duration of time. So you could say you can create a vision board for maybe the first quarter of the year. You can create a vision board for the second quarter. You can create a vision board containing goals that you'd want to achieve within 6 months, within a year, within 5 years, etc. So it's basically a tool that helps you to map out your goals and your aspirations within a defined duration of time. And how does a vision board look like? So you can create a physical board where you make cutouts of images and quotes, or you write some text and you're able to paste it on a physical board. Or you could design one that online, and which you can be able to maybe save it as your desktop computer wallpaper or your phone wallpaper, or basically send it to yourself via email. You could print it and you can be able to pitch it somewhere where when you wake up in the morning, you're able to see these goals and visualize yourself achieving them. So these are just two images showing different templates or types of vision boards that you could create for yourselves. So what does a vision board comprise of? So I think I've mentioned this. A vision board is just a collection of images, and for digital vision boards you have the capability to also include video elements, and also you can include text or messages and quotes that you'd want to repeatedly read them to yourselves to remind yourself of something. So what types of goals and aspirations can you map out? So you can map out family goals, you can map out spiritual goals, you can map out career goals, health, nutrition and fitness, travel goals, etc. It is up to you to decide what you want to map out. And it is also important to at least have one goal per category so that they are attainable and measurable and things that you're pretty much sure that you're going to work yourself towards achieving them. So why is it important for you to have a vision board? So there's this thing called the law of attraction, which says that you attract the things that you think about. If you have positive thoughts, you will attract positive things. If you have negative thoughts, you will attract negative things. If you believe that you can achieve greater things for yourself, then you will be compelled into living a life that is in line with those things that you'd want to achieve. If you probably want to maybe invest and become wealthy, then you will make decisions that will align you with that goal. You will make decisions concerning the friends you keep, the jobs you take, the side hustles that you explore, etc. Basically everything around you will be focused towards you achieving that goal. So you attract also the things that you think about. So what you think starts a vibration that influences how you feel, impacts what you attract, and also creates your reality. And this thing of creating your reality is because what you think and what you visualize yourself can manifest into something that is physical, and something that you can is tangible, and something that can basically come into fruition. So manifestation basically means something that is put into your physical reality through your thoughts, through your feelings and your beliefs. So whenever you're creating a vision board, it is important to have this thing in mind, this law of attraction and manifestation thing. It is important to have that in mind, and there are so many books and so many videos online that you can go watch and read and learn more about this thing. So apps and tools that you need to create a digital vision board, which is the focus of this video. So we're going to create a digital vision board and not a physical board. But the good thing about digital vision boards is that they can be printed. So apps that you need, of course, to create a digital vision board: Google, for you to search for quotes and images and videos; Pinterest, for you to look for, again, images of things that you want to manifest; graphic design tools such as Canva, my all-time favorite tool; Funky, which is also a graphic design tool or a photo editing tool; Adobe Photoshop, and many other tools that you can find online, including free tools that you can take advantage of, such as Canva. And of course, you can use Microsoft tools such as Word and PowerPoint. And the most important thing is obviously your brain. So your brain, the creativity, your ability to imagine and visualize yourself achieving something, that is the most important thing when you're designing any type of a vision board. So let's create a digital vision board together. And of course, this is going to be another Canva moment. So let's dive in. We're going to use Canva, Pinterest to search for images, and Google, of course, to search for images and any other thing, and quotes and videos that we might want to. And before we do that, I would want to talk about a vision board I had created. In case you've not watched that video, you can click the iCard above, that link above, and you'll be able to see the process I followed when creating a vision board using Pinterest. So I created some vision boards and we can maybe have a look at them. So let's go. I created this digital vision board some time back using Pinterest, and today we're gonna use Canva. So with Pinterest, I was able to come up with some images that would remind me of things that I wanted to achieve. And this is how a Pinterest digital vision board would look like. So today we're going to learn how to use Canva to design something similar. And at the top here, again, at the search bar, you already know everywhere I click on Canva. So I will not illustrate further. So let me search for what? A vision board. So you could opt to go the route of using the templates, or you can design your own. You can create your own design. So you can use this template, for example, official pastel. Yeah, so you can use this, or you could also go ahead and scroll for more templates that you feel might be in line with what you want. So we can begin to edit this. So I want to design mine from scratch. So I'm gonna delete everything here and have this plain page, and we can be able to design it together. So let's go to Elements and look for placeholders. So now that we have a template ready and I've mapped out the areas that I would want to create goals for 2021, that is financial goals, career goals, spiritual goals, family goals, and travel goals, I'll go ahead on Pinterest and Google and look for images or quotes or anything that will help me remember that particular goal. Under financial goal, I probably want to increase my passive income opportunities, so I will look for something in that line, something like stock investment, etc. So let's look for that, stocks. So let's go to Google and look for an image on stocks. So let's copy this image for Nairobi Stock Exchange. Of course, there are better options out there. This is just an example. So you will notice images come with their own placeholder. You don't need to have placed them if you copy and paste them. I'll also copy this image from Pinterest on millionaire habits. So this is just the first how it looks so far. We can change the background. So yeah, this is how our digital vision board is looking like. So we have our financial goal there. We want to be a millionaire, or we want to have a millionaire mindset. We want to invest more on passive income, or rather on things that do not require us to put so much effort, such as investing in stock. And also we want to get to 10k plus subscribers in 2021. And a spiritual goal, we do not want to worry about tomorrow. We know 2020 has given us. For travel goals, the only kind of workout that we're gonna be doing is running to the boarding gate. So for family, I think I can expand this so that we have a full screen view. So for family, I've put a quote here: it's not what we have in life, but who we have in our life that matters. So basically that's how you design a vision board using Canva. You can add as many images as you want, as many quotes as you want, for as many categories, or for as many things that you want, even specific things. If you want to buy a car, just say buy a car and put an image for a car there. If you want to get married, just say getting married in 2021 and you put an image there. You can be as specific as possible, which is really good. If you want to get a new job, put it there. If you want to start a business, put it there. Whatever you want to do, just put it into a vision board and you will be able to achieve it, because whatever you put in your mind and your beliefs, you're gonna attract those things and you're most likely going to be able to achieve them. So once you're done designing, at the top here you can be able to download a PDF, which again you can be able to print and have it physically pasted on a physical board, which you can be able to see every morning when you wake up, or you can just have a printed copy on your bed stand, which you can be able to look at every morning just to remind yourself of the things that you want to do. Also, you can download a PNG or an image version and you can save that as your screensaver on your phone or on your computer, and you can be able to visually see these things and believe in them and work yourself towards achieving all these things. I hope that you've learned something. Again, in case you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button also, so that you get notified whenever I make a new upload. And if you like this kind of content, give me that like, hit the like button, and help me guys get to these 10k subscribers by subscribing and by sharing with everybody, man. Just share this video as widely as possible, and I hope that it's going to be of value to you. At the end of the year, we can have another video just to see whether we've been able to achieve everything that we hoped to achieve, or everything that we put on our vision board, to see whether the power of the law of attraction and manifestation works, so we can review our boards in 2021 December. So happy creating, guys, and happy new year, guys. Happy new year. Let's have a positive attitude. Let's have a positive mind that we're gonna achieve whatever that we plan to achieve and whatever we've put on our boards. And happy new year, guys. Thank you so much for being with me in 2020. Let's go to 2021 with a positive attitude. Bye bye. Dun 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 dun.